Hey, Sabana this side. Since one FlexiFunnels opportunity was coming to an end, so I thought maybe let me quickly make a quick video for you so that at least I can show you the kind of income potential which our customers are already generating with the help of FlexiFunnels and the kind of income potential that you have right now on the table. Okay, so let's suppose with the help of FlexiFunnels you are going to sell some digital product, maybe some course. It can be anything, right? And let's say your name is, just example, Rahul. Okay, let's say the product that you are going to be selling, it can be anything, right? Does not matter. Maybe spoken English. Maybe the product price at which you are going to be selling, let's say, is 4,999. Again, it can be anything: 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh. Again, your price. Okay, let's say you are going to be doing just 5 sales per day. It can be much higher, of course, right? And let's say just basic minimum 5 sales per day. And let's say you only do this business for 1 year. Okay, not much. Let's look at the income potential. We are looking at the income potential, your income potential of 89 lakh rupees in just 1 year, in which we have assumed just 5 sales per day, which of course is going to increase over a period of time. Number one, monthly income of 7,50,000 rupees, 6 month 45 lakh rupees, 1 year 89 lakh rupees. Most importantly, what this income means for you is, in 1 month, 7.5 lakh rupees, you get good amount of location freedom, time flexibility, career independence, and a good amount of family time that you can start enjoying regularly, which our customers are generating. I'm gonna show it to you in this video itself. Okay, plus what you are missing out on, most importantly, when you are delaying your decision for even a month, you are missing out on an income of 7.5 lakh rupees, maybe 6 month 45 lakh rupees, maybe 1 year 89 lakh rupees. And this is what you don't need to do. Smart people, when they see smart opportunity, they take decisions, right? Let's have a look at the public data and let's do some calculation. Okay, let's take a very logical decision right over here, and I'm going to show you my customers data also. Okay, for example, I said 5 sales per day. Now how many people do you need on your sales page to do 5 sales? Let's say 200, 300. Once you have a sales page for your product, which you can make very easily using FlexiFunnels, we give you the trainings also of how to get customers, how to get sales. We give you the marketing agents also to help you with your marketing and everything, right? Let's have a look at the data. Okay, so let's say if 200, 300 people come to your sales page, 5 sales is easy, right? Maybe 500 people, bare minimum, easy peasy, right? Okay, let's look at the publicly available data. Okay, let's have a look at flexifunnels.com own data, and then we will move to our customers. Okay, this is similarweb.com, which is a publicly available website. Free of cost, you can do the comparison of any website and see the stats of any website. Let's have a look at flexifunnels.com own data, right? In February 2026, 1,75,000 people came to this website. I just gave you the example of, let's suppose, even if just 500 people comes to your page, right? 500 people is how many? 15,000 people coming in a month. With that amount of traffic, you can easily do an yearly income of 89 lakh rupees. Just 15,000 people, if they come to your sales page. This is our traffic, by the way, 1,75,000. Right? Compare 15,000 with 1,75,000. This is one of the subdomain of FlexiFunnels, A46,000. This data is publicly available. You can go and check on SimilarWeb, and you can check the data of your website if you have. If not, of course, you can build easily before tonight using FlexiFunnels. Hardly 4 to 6 hours, your business will be online using FlexiFunnels, right? Most importantly, let's look at the customers data, right? Using FlexiFunnels, January 2025, our customers had got let's say 1 crore traffic, right? The traffic that we were handling for our customers in January 2025. And now let's look at the number, how our customers have become even more super successful, especially after we have released AI page builder and AI marketing engine. Our customers are now getting results at a much rapid pace, at a much faster results they are getting. Just in February 2026, we handled 10 crore traffic for our customers. This is our customers data. Let's come back to the equation. If you have just 15,000 people coming to your sales page, you will be generating 89 lakh rupees in a year, 7.5 lakh rupees in a month. This is the amount of data and customers, traffic that we are handling already for our customers. This is what I know that our customers are already doing. If you really want to see, just go to Google and type FlexiFunnels testimonials and just look at the number of testimonials and the success stories which are out there. right? This is the kind of potential which is out there. So I don't want anybody looking at this video, to miss out on the opportunity, because the opportunity is insane. Sometimes it's hard to visualize, what the grass is greener on the other side. Sometimes it's actually hard to visualize what exactly can happen, what is there on the other side. It's hard to visualize, but this is a quick video in which I wanted to show you that the grass is really greener on the other side, right? This is what customers are doing. So many people, thousands of people with exactly the same resources, and I'm looking at the data, right? This is the data right in front of me. My customers are now getting leads, sales, revenue, everything, pages, everything. Like in the last 1 year, the amount of growth for the customers has been insane ever since the launch of AI Page Builder and AI Marketing Agents. And now we are doing so many trainings for the customers on a very regular basis. It's an insane time for you to be a part of FlexiFunnels. So yeah, I wish you all the best. Bye bye.